Better, swing better. Better, swing better, can, swing better. Better, swing better. Better, swing better. Can, swing better. I hurt myself today, just to see if I still feel. A needle tears a hole. The old familiar sting. Not for 2 years, 6 months, 3 weeks, and 6 days. It was the last time I fucking used a needle. Huh. I'm counting down to 10 years. But I just relapsed because I just lost my good friend. That's 19 friends I've lost to suicide now. 18 to suicide. One fell over and smacked his head on a corner of a table. Yeah. So 18 I've lost to suicide. Anyhow, rest in peace, little lady.